Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to indent text in Mailchimp step by step. If you've been scratching your head trying to get your email content to look just the way you want, especially when it comes to indentation, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know the simple trick to give your email text a neat, professional, indented look, whether you're writing a newsletter, an announcement, or just trying to make your emails easier to read. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Mailchimp and open up the design part of your email campaign. If you've already set up a campaign, great, just open it and jump into the design editor. If you haven't, now's a good time to create a new one. The design section is where all the magic happens. This is where you can tweak things to really make your message stand out from the crowd. Think of this space as your creative workshop, where everything you do affects how your readers will experience your email. Next, find the block of text that you'd like to indent. You can click directly into any text box or content block that you've added to your email. Once you're inside, select the specific text you want to indent by clicking and dragging your cursor over it, kind of like how you'd highlight words in a Word document. It's important to highlight only the text you want to change, so you don't accidentally alter other parts of your email's formatting. If you're trying to indent a whole paragraph, just make sure you've got the whole thing selected. Now here comes the key step. A lot of people miss this. Look up at the top left of the editor and you'll see a section labeled Text Style. This is like your formatting control center. Sometimes your text might be set to heading style by default, especially if you copied and pasted it from somewhere else or are working off a template. But here's the thing, indentation settings often only apply to paragraph style text. That's why it's super important to change the text style to paragraph at this point. Go ahead and click on the dropdown and choose paragraph from the list. Once you switch your text to paragraph style, you'll notice that Mailchimp allows for indentation and some extra formatting options that weren't there before. Basically, by telling Mailchimp, hey, this is just standard body text, not a header or a title, you unlock those classic formatting features used in regular writing. It's a little bit like in school. If you put your math problems where the essay answers go, the teacher won't know how to grade it. The right style matters, and honestly, that's it. You've now indented your text in Mailchimp. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most overlooked. You can preview your email to make sure everything looks correct. Remember, if you don't see the indentation right away, double-check that you've selected the paragraph style for your text. Don't worry if it takes a try or two. These tiny formatting shifts can be easy to miss, but always make your emails look a lot cleaner and more polished in the end. So that's how you quickly indent text in your Mailchimp campaign for a neat, organized appearance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up below. Still have questions, or maybe you ran into a snag? Drop your questions in the comments. I always love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical email tips and easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.